Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to hide notification while playing PUBG Mobile. So let's get started. Well, sometimes when you're playing, the notification pop up that spoil your fun. So to turn it off, we're gonna use setting, and actually it varies from phone to another, but in general it is as follows. So go to the settings and scroll down till you find notification and control center. And now tap on app notifications. You can also go back to the settings menu and from search on notification. Then tap on apps notifications. As you see here, the notifications are active on all those apps. So you can disable apps that receive a lot of notification. And when you're done playing, you can reactivate it by following the same steps. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!